Hi everyone, now we can see the types of plant tissue culture. The third type is protoplast culture. Protoplast culture is of four types, that is isolation, culture, fusion, culture and selection of stemmatic hybrids. First one is, what is protoplast culture? Protoplasts are cells without cell wall, but they are bound by a cell membrane called plasma membrane. The steps involved in the protoplast culture are given below. You can see that one by one in detailed steps. First one is isolation. It is isolated by a small bit of leaves. The leaf tissue is immersed in 0.5 macrosome, 2% of onosuka, and immersed in 13% sorbitol at 5.4 pH and 25 degrees Celsius, and then transformed 20% of sucrose to retain their viability. They are centrifuged to cut pure plastoplasts at different forms of the bits of cell without cell walls. Centrifugation means rotating. Next is fusion. It is done through the suitable fuse agent, that is PEG, polyethylene glycol. The isolated protoplasts are incubated in 25 to 30 concentration of PEG and the Ca++ ions. The protoplasto agglutination, that is clumps of cells and fusion. Fusion of protoplast take place. This is suitable fuse agent PEG, polyethylene glycol, and 22% of calcium ions. Next is culture of protoplast. MS liquid medium is used to modify in droplet, and the protoplast is viability test by diacetylene before culture. It is shown in 1000 to 2000 lux at, that is light, 25 degrees Celsius. The cell wall formation occurs within 24 to 48 hours, and first division occurs between 2 to 7 days after culture. This is a culture. It is a widely used liquid is MS liquid medium for modifying the droplet, planting and micro drops away from the techniques. This is protoplast viability tested by diacetylene before the culture. Protoplast should be tested for viability, and first division occurs within 2 to 7 days after culture. Next is selection of stemmatic hybrids. The fusion product of protoplast without nucleus of the differentiated cell is called as hybrid. Followed by the new fission haploid. This process is called somatic hybridization. I repeat the definition of hybrid. The fusion product of protoplast without nucleus of the differentiated cells is called hybrid. Once again, the fusion product of protoplast without nucleus of the different cells is called hybrid. It's a fusion product of, what is hybrid is means the fusion product of protoplast without the nucleus of the different cells that does not have nucleus, which joins with the protoplast fusion. This is called hybrid. The total hybrid can be character is called stomatic hybridization. This is a picture that illustrates the protoplast culture. See that the young plants, leaf sterilization, leaf peeling leaf segments, plasmolyzed, that is turgor pressure increased. Then enzyme, that onosuka, sorbitol, then wash, isolation, planting of protoplast, clumps of cell, tissue callus, plant that differentiate from protoplast and young plants. Hope you will understand. Thank you.